Talented birds. There are many bird species that possess remarkable talents and abilities. Here are some examples. Crows. These birds are known for their intelligence and problem-solving skills. They are able to use tools to obtain food and can even recognize individual human faces. Parrots. These birds are famous for their ability to mimic human speech and other sounds. They are also capable of solving simple puzzles and learning tricks. Falcons. These birds are skilled hunters and are able to dive at incredible speeds to catch their prey. They have also been trained for use in falconry, a sport where the bird is used to hunt small game. Hummingbirds. These birds are known for their incredible agility and speed, able to hover in midair and fly backwards. They are also able to remember the location of thousands of flowers and can navigate long distances during migration. Penguins. These birds are excellent swimmers and are able to dive to depths of up to 500 feet to catch fish. They are also capable of forming tight-knit social bonds with their partners and offspring. These are just a few examples of the many talented birds that exist in the animal kingdom. Thanks for watching.